What's up, everybody? So we're out in the shop, and today we're just going to do a simple bonus video. I wasn't planning on doing this particular video until I got a few of the things that I got this weekend, and I thought, that'd make a cool little video. So this weekend I was able to scoop up a Trenton Ajax 170-pound anvil that I am going to be using in the other shop from now on, and it is a big upgrade from my 60-pound Harbor Freight anvil going to a 170-pound amazing anvil. And whenever I was there, I was able to scoop up a few things. One of them being the things that we are working on today. So we are going to restore this flattening hammer. Now, the face is actually not that bad. We're still going to smooth it out a little bit, but we've got a lot of work to do to get rid of this lip that's going all the way around here. This is from being hammered over and over and over again. So we're going to do that. We're going to get this old handle shank out of there. We're going to put a new handle on it so that we can actually use it. But we're going to be working on that today. And I figured it was about time to get one of these. And this was just kind of like a bonus piece. So we're going to restore that, get it looking awesome, make it useful again. And I was able to get a few other things. I know y'all always mess with me about my tongs, not having actual, blacksmithing tongs and forging tongs. So I was able to scoop these up. I'm going to have to do a little bit of work to them. I'm going to have to peen this pin over just a little bit better because right now it's a little loose. And I'll be able to work them to where I straighten them out. So got that, and then got some round stock tongs. So these I'm going to end up reforging and making them all good again and get everything all how it's supposed to be. So I'm not going to be filming the tong thing because it's just going to be me doing a little bit of work to those, but this is going to be quite a bit of work to make this look like it did in its prime. So that's what we're going to work on today. So let's jump into it. Let's get this thing going. Alright, so let's talk about a tool restoration. Now, this right here, I wanted just to bring it back to working condition. I wasn't trying to have some crazy chrome, ultra shiny hammer when it was all said and done. Typically, whenever I see people do restorations on old tools and things like that, they take and turn them into this ultra shiny thing that looks like it should hang on a wall, that looks like it's never going to be used. My goal is to use this often, so I wanted to bring it back to working condition. So we got that face nice and flat, we got the head all squared off and ready to be pounded on. Got a nice simple handle on it, because this is not something that you're going to be swinging onto an anvil with. This is a tool that you take and you put on top of your steel, you hit here, and it helps you flatten as you move it down the steel. But again, I left all the original finish. I left some of the little dents and everything like that from it being hammered on where they had missed and hit here. Again, my goal was not to take this and turn it into some shiny, you know, wall hanging tool. I wanted to turn it into something that I was actually going to use. So hopefully y'all dig this video, and if you did, you should probably subscribe to the channel, because I do stuff like this plus make knives all the time. So yeah, there you go, guys. If you would, give this video a like, share this video or one of my other videos if you happen to watch any of them. And if y'all would, y'all have an amazing day. Y'all stay safe out there. I'll catch y'all next time.